What role does international human rights law play in immigration cases? Imagine facing a situation where your rights as a person are at risk simply because of where you come from or the challenges you face. That's where international human rights law steps in to make a difference. This body of law sets basic protections that apply to everyone, no matter their nationality or how they arrived at a border. It requires countries to treat migrants with dignity and respect during every stage of migration. This means no arbitrary detention, no forcing people back to dangerous places, and no cruel treatment. It also guarantees the right to a fair hearing and keeping families together. In immigration cases, international human rights law acts as a powerful tool to challenge unfair treatment. It ensures that each migrant gets an individual assessment of their protection needs when they arrive. Vulnerable groups like children, victims of trafficking, or asylum seekers need special attention, and these laws make sure they get it. Even if a country's domestic laws are strict or punitive, international law can still offer protection. It's like a safety net that catches those who might otherwise be ignored or mistreated. For Black immigrants, who often face racial discrimination and systemic barriers, these laws are especially important. They help protect against unfair treatment based on race or ethnicity. If someone faces persecution or harm in their home country because of their race or political views, international human rights law can support their claim for asylum or protection. It also provides avenues to challenge unlawful detention or deportation if domestic systems fail to do so. Immigration lawyers often use these laws to strengthen their cases. They can refer to treaties like the Refugee Convention, the Convention Against Torture, and the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. Many countries have ratified these treaties and incorporated them into their legal systems. When domestic courts do not uphold these rights, international bodies like the Human Rights Committee or the United Nations Human Rights Council can step in to seek justice. In simple terms, international human rights law plays a vital role in making sure migrants, especially Black immigrants, are treated fairly and with respect. It helps address legal challenges by providing protections that can be used to fight unfair policies or treatment. It also affirms their cultural identity and heritage, reminding everyone that human dignity and equality are at the core of fair migration practices.